Hello, friends. Today is our 5th class. Let's get started. When we draw a rectangle, we will remove its fill color and keep the stroke. From here, we can increase or decrease the stroke weight. We can also choose any variable weight from here. This is the brush panel, and we can select any brush from it.
On the right side, there is the Workspace panel that contains many different panels. From here, we can work faster without having to choose each panel separately again and again. Just select the required panel and start your work. Let's take one panel out to see. When we click on the Brushes panel, it appears here. Inside it, we can also open the Brush, Swatches, and Simples panels.
We will take this panel out, and from it, we can separate all 3 panels. See, this is how we can do it. Now, each of them has become an individual panel. We can also stack these panels on top of each other. Look, this way you can arrange and use them however you like.